searching for OTG adapter that can be used on Android and as an iPhone also, this OTG can be the one. So I have ordered this OTG adapter. It is from Wayona, and it has a unique design, guys, so I liked it, and I have used it on my iPhone and on my Android phones as well. It is reading the pen drives, and it read around 256 GB of pen drive and working flawlessly. So guys, you can use it as a keychain as well, and it is a metal build, so it is very robust and very unique design. So if you want to order, guys, I will give it a link in my description. I ordered it from Amazon. I have just got it for around 699 rupees. Original MRP was around 1499. Okay guys, it is looking very beautiful, as you can see. So wonderful, so beautiful, just looking